let's take a look at an overview of the business model that we're working towards. And as with any business model, it comes back to a financial mathematical equation. So let's have a look at the maths that pulls together an overview of where we're heading. Now you'll recall that we've talked a little bit about gathering some names, and we're going to put these into a database, but this short video will show you why we're doing that and what your ultimate target is with that database. So let's assume that we're heading for a series of names and contacts in your target area of about 2,100 names, between 2,100 and 2,400. And the reason, I'll just keep these numbers round, but the reason we want to get to that number is because first of all, it's a manageable number to keep in touch with, but secondly, look at the statistics that flow out of this number in relation to sales of real estate. If we have a focus area of about 2,100 homes, and the average duration that someone stays in their home is about 7 years. Now sometimes it's longer than that in some areas, and it may be shorter for apartments and units as people move through that phase of their life. That means that there's about 300 of these dwellings that change hands each year, and if we keep close contact with the people that are owners of those, we're likely to get invited into quite a few of them to present. I'm not saying we'd win them, but I'd say we'll get invited in. So that's a crucial number that we want to increase our invite rate to approximately a third, which means that of the 300 dwellings being sold, we would get invited to present, to appraise about 100 of them. Now if we've got an appraised to list ratio of 50%, that means that we would list 50 out of those 100 homes, and there will be a few of these that for one reason or another get taken off the market. So let's say we sell 80% of the ones that we ultimately list, which gives us a baseline sales in a given year of about 40 sales. So what we're doing with this is then creating a base of sales, not counting the ones that might come out of your rent roll or people that walk in or past referrals, but created by the use of your database that are a baseline of about 40 sales. And that's a great springboard for any real estate agent to get a great sales result in any year. So you can see now why our target, one of the main focus targets that you're working towards now, is to get about 21 to 2,400 names on your database in detail, and then we can start working towards getting these numbers on this maths sheet ready to deliver you those sales. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in future videos.